Thank you for your interest in becoming the next Chief Executive of Keep Wales Tidy. For 50 years, we've been creating spaces that feel safe, clean and green. We've inspired generations of children, raised standards in environmental excellence and fostered links with global partners. In the face of the climate crisis, biodiversity loss and pollution, we've developed programs and projects that support positive, sustainable action. Through all our work, we've always put people at the heart of what we do. We recognise the importance of the natural environment to our health and well-being. We believe in collaboration and we've built up partnerships across the globe. Our ambitious strategy, Beautiful Wales, builds on some of the achievements that we've made over the last decade, but it brings in new ideas of how we can reach communities, and it cultivates our work over the next decade as well. We need an inspiring and dynamic leader to take us forward. Wales is a truly remarkable country. We're small enough to make change happen, but we're large enough to make a difference. If you share our vision for a beautiful Wales, cared for and enjoyed by all of our communities, then I'd urge you to apply for the post of Chief Executive of Keep Wales Tidy. Thank you.